The death of linear growth. For decades, the model of success was linear. Work harder, build skills, get promoted, start a business, grow gradually, eventually succeed. This model worked when the world moved slowly, when industries changed every few years, when innovation happened in predictable cycles, when you could rely on consistency and repetition. But that world is gone. We now live in a hyper-evolutionary environment where disruption happens overnight. Entire industries collapse under new technologies. Companies rise and fall in months. Trends shift before you finish adapting. In this world, linear growth is obsolete. Because if you take 3 years to improve 30%, someone else will achieve the same result in 3 weeks using automation, AI, and system-level thinking. The future belongs to non-linear operators, people who don't improve themselves incrementally, but replace themselves strategically. People who simulate ahead, who build systems that evolve faster than their biology, who use intelligent stacks to outthink, outmaneuver, and out-automate anyone stuck in the slow lane. This is not a warning. It's a wake-up call. If you're still measuring your progress in steps, degrees, or job titles, you're already being overtaken by people who measure theirs in iterations, simulations, and cognitive upgrades. Linear growth is dead. Long live exponential evolution. You can't fix what needs replacement. Most people approach self-development like home renovation. They look at their flaws as broken parts that need repair. Confidence issues, therapy, procrastination, better time management, lack of income, upskill. But what if you're not broken? What if you're just outdated? Imagine trying to fix a smartphone from 2010 with new software. It won't work. The hardware can't support the demands of modern applications. You are the same. Your current identity is built for an older version of the world. Trying to fix it with new habits or affirmations won't change the underlying operating system. Instead, you need to upgrade. Not just your mindset, your entire architecture. That means replacing core beliefs, rewriting decision-making logic, simulating ahead of time, running parallel versions of yourself to see which one wins. This is not easy, but it's necessary because the only way to survive the next decade is to become someone new. Someone built for what's coming, not what already happened.